of Manipur N. Biren Singh wished the people of the state on occasion of the 123rd birth anniversary of Hijam Irabot. In his message, the Chief Minister said that Lamyanba Hijam Irabot was a towering figure and a multifaceted personality. He was a freedom fighter, politician, and social activist par excellence, a versatile personality, a gifted poet, and an accomplished scholar, the CM added. The Department of Social Welfare Government of Manipur has organized a state-level Poshan Ma cycle rally today. The rally, which started at the Directorate Headquarters Social Welfare near 2nd MR Gate, covered Imphal areas. Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister Nemcha Kipgen, Principal Secretary of Social Welfare Department Bumlun Mang Bolman, and Director Ngangom Uttam Singh graced the cycle rally. In view of the 123rd birth anniversary observance of Lamyanba Hijam Irabot and 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi on October 2nd, a cleanliness drive was held across the state. Governor of Manipur Nazma Heptullah inaugurates international conference cum workshop on comprehensive approach to combat illicit trafficking of Afghan opiates and drug situation in Northeast at Hotel Classic Grand Imphal. The program is jointly organized by Government of Manipur and United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime Regional Office, South Asia. Wak Tanba ritual ceremony was conducted at Govindaji Temple today. The event was organized by Chairab, Gaurav and Pandit group of Govindaji Temple. During the event, steps and rules of Thangta were taught to Laipam, Khabam, Ahalu and Naharol groups. Sikkim Governor Ganga Prasad conferred Governor's Medal to 32 outstanding NCC cadets representing the state on various national and state-level events in a special function held at Asirwad Bhavan. The cadets had performed exceptionally well in various training activities like shooting competition, trekking, sailing, Republic Day Parade and other national-level camps over the last 1 year. Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Chennai today to take part in the 56th convocation of the Indian Institute of Technology Madras to address the India-Singapore Hackathon 2019 at IIT-M Research Park and deliver the convocation address at the Institute's Students' Activity Center.